So friends, today we are here at the third last village of India-China border, which is the Bampa village. And the best thing about this village is the infrastructure of the ancient houses. I'd like to show you, these are the ancient houses of Bampa village, which are the benchmark of this valley. You can see dozens of these kind of ancient houses here. This is the second house, and if we talk about the construction of these houses, so mostly these houses are built around 1950 or before that. So look at the infrastructure of these houses, how antique this infrastructure makes it. So you can see these old houses which are the benchmark of Bampa village, and here you will see lots of old houses which makes this village more beautiful. And I firmly believe after few years, lots of those people who love village tours, who love Himalayan villages, they will definitely come to this village. After this, the second village is Gamsali, and the last village after that is Niti. So it's all about the Bampa village today. Thank you. Good afternoon, friends. So today we are here at the Bampa village of Niti Valley, which is the third last village of India-China border. So you can see the entire Bampa village behind me. How beautiful and mesmerizing this Bampa village is. Approximately all the houses which are built here, they are ancient houses, and almost everyone here is of Bhotia ethnic community. So I'd like to show you some a famous temple of Bampa village. You can see there. This is the temple of Bampa village, and these are the fields of here. And come with me, I'll show you. This is the Bampa village, entire Bampa village, which is the third last village en route the Niti Valley. So our experience was very good today. As far as this place is concerned, it is very windy area, and the migrants who are residing here, they live only 6 months here in the summers, and for other 6 months they migrate to the plain areas. So I'll show you, come with me, the Bampa village. Here is Bampa village. You can see the ancient houses in the Bampa village. These are the houses, and you can even see the ladies, the Bhotia ladies here.
सोद पथों सूर्य सूर्य आहा अंग पे लागनी ती तूर्य तूर्य